Okay, I hear you. So like future-proofing the property in terms of connectivity. Now, if you have a future-proof property, and I'm a property owner, and I want to make sure that I'm getting the most bucks out of my investment. How do you envision or assure that the price of broadband, for example, today is reflected in terms of how it's going to evolve in 10 years from now?
That's an excellent question, and it's always something that we're continuously thinking about. Since we were developed from within a multifamily environment to solve problems for multifamily, we think about it from an owner and asset management perspective. And we say, well, what net operating income can we help an owner generate today? And how will they generate that same net operating income 5 years from now or 10 years from now? And so what's very common today is a up to 1 gigabit per second package, and owners are able to generate anywhere from $40 to $55 depending on their market and the service that they're delivering. But the big question is, will they still be able to deliver and generate that NOI in 2028, 2030, 2035? Okay. And the answer is no, I don't think so. The cost per megabyte of bandwidth is going to continue to compress over time. However, the value of a homeowner's expense for that service is going to stay relatively flat. And what I mean by that is the value of 1 gig service, whether real or perceived, will compress. So if it's worth 75 or 85 today, by the time 2030 rolls around, it is likely to be reduced. What is the people who live in those homes are likely to spend 75 or $85 still on their internet service. They're going to be buying higher tier packages. They're going to be buying a bundle service. They're going to be buying something with security or equipment included. They're going to be buying a 2.5, a 5, or an 8 gig package. But that 75, $85